Welcome to Classical Grooming. Let's talk about a staple in hair grooming called Vitalis hair tonic. In production since the 1940s, this product has delivered a greaseless, light to medium hold for nearly any hairstyle you can think of. Right now on the screen you're seeing me try it out for the first time. Vitalis, in my experience, works best on towel-dried hair and is not rubbed into the scalp. In this example, my hair has been dried for about 5 minutes now, and adding the Vitalis gave it a lot more volume than I was expecting. As I've used the product more often, I found this is a great way of dialing in the hairstyle. Allowing your hair to dry some gives you something with a little bit more volume. I wouldn't say that Vitalis gives you a wet look in either situation, but it does give your hair a hold that can be combed back into place and leaves the hair soft, greaseless, and with a mild gloss to it. There is a scent to it. It reminds me a little of labdanum, but it's neither strong or long-lasting. It's moved into a major part of my hair grooming rotation. I really like the way it leaves my hair feeling. It's been around for a long time, but I think that's because it works so well. Has Vitalis had a part in your family's grooming over the years? Please leave a comment and let me know what you think.